नमस्कार, आपका दोस्त CA Manmohan, registered valuer institute in financial assets. Today we shall discuss the fit and proper person criteria for the registered valuer. You should maintain the fit and proper person criteria, or you have to face the rejection by the authority, and you are not to be registered as a registered valuer. So this was case decided on 24/11/2023 on fit and proper person by the authority. So here the RB belongs to the asset class land and building. He has passed the paper. He has submitted the registration paper under section 247 of the Companies Act 2010. We know that it should be read with the rule 6(1) of the company's registered valuer and valuation rule. So everybody need that when he has passed the paper, he should be registered as a valuer and he should work as a valuer. So here, as per rule 3(1)(k) of the rules, no individual shall be eligible to be registered as an RE if he is not a fit and proper person. इसके अलावा इसका एक्सटेंडेड जो है वो किस चीज के ऊपर उसको जज किया जाएगा? फिट एंड प्रॉपर पर्सन, इंटीग्रिटी, रेपुटेशन एंड कैरेक्टर आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी द factors determine if an individual is a fit. So these are main criteria. So you should maintain your integrity at most. Your reputation should be good and your character should be of high moral. Here, a criminal proceedings was pending against the applicant, wherein charge sheet has been filed before the Honorable Special Session Judge Rajkot. You can download the decided case and read also. Charges were under Section 506 of Indian Penal Code, Section 31R and 32BA of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act 1980. So authority formed a prima facie opinion that the registration ought not to be granted to the applicant, and he is not a fit and proper person to be registered as registered valuer because he is charge sheeted, criminal proceedings are pending under section 506 of the Indian Penal Code. Now, applicant has humbly submitted that as per rule 3(1)(1) of valuation rules, if a person has not been convicted by any competent court for an offence punishable, then a person is eligible to be registered valuer as until a person is convicted by the court. तो इसका कहना है कि भाई कन्विक्ट नहीं हुए, अपराध साबित नहीं हुआ, तो अपराध की बात है. Since the case is pending against the applicant, he is not convicted by the competent court, he is eligible to be registered. He further add that the applicant has made the complaint is fake, so in personal hearing, the applicant retreated his aforesaid submission and further submitted that he should be granted the registration. Now, the limited consideration against the in front of the court that whether the pendency of the criminal proceeding impacts the integrity, reputation, and character. Since offenses are of severe nature and carries maximum punishment as follows: Section 506 IPC 2 years, 31R of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention Atrocities Act 1989, imprisonment up to 5 years and fine, and Section 32B of Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribe Prevention Atrocities Act 1989, imprisonment up to 5 years and fine. Now, these are some views in the matter of Delhi administration and others versus Sushil Kumar. Honorable Supreme Court has decided that it is seen that verification of the character and antecedents is one of the important criteria to test whether the selected candidate is suitable to the post under the state. Though he was physically found fit, passed the written test and interview, and was provisionally selected on account of his antecedent record, the appointing authority found it not desirable to appoint a person of such record as constable to the disciplined force. The view taken by the appointing authority in the background of the case cannot be said to be unwarranted. In another case, the tribunal therefore was wholly unjustified in giving the direction for the consideration of this case, though he was discharged acquitted of the criminal offences. The same had nothing to do with the question. What would be relevant is the conduct or character of the candidate to be appointed to, and not the actual results thereof. If the actual result happen to be a particular way, the law will take care of the consequences. The consideration relevant to the case is that of antecedents of the candidate. Appointing authority therefore has rightly focused this aspect and found him not desirable to appoint as a service. So, reputation, character, and integrity should be met. So, Honorable Securities Appellate Tribunal, by its order dated 6 September 2006, examined the amplitude of fit and proper person as under good reputation and character should be the very material consideration which must necessarily wait in mind of the board in this regard. Reputation is what others perceive. तो रेपुटेशन क्या है, आप बदले में क्या दे रहे हैं, अपनी रेपुटेशन कैसी रख रहे हैं. In other words, it is subjective opinion or impression of others about a person, and that according to the regulation has to. तो आपकी अपनी रेपुटेशन खुद रखनी पड़ेगी. What is the material that other feels about the applicant who has been charge sheeted for such serious offences? Does such a person inspire confidence to the stakeholders who can entrust him with the responsibility of valuation, based on which the economy would allocate resources and market participants would take economic decisions? तो क्या इतना विश्वास उसके ऊपर किया जा सकता है? क्या ये मटेरियल है जो आदमी चार्जशीट हो उसके ऊपर विश्वास किया जा सकता है? So, pendency of serious criminal proceeding if the applicant adversely impacts his reputation, makes him not a person fit and proper to be registered. So it is pertinent to note that the foundation of valuation services in the market economy lies on mutual trust among the valuer and the stakeholders. Based on the professional opinion of a valuer, the market stakeholder take crucial economic decisions. So mutual trust is very, very important. Therefore, it becomes crucial to engender as well as safeguard the trust between the valuer and the stakeholder, so that decision makers in the market have adequate comfort to take any crucial economic decision without any fear or doubt. So, in view of the above, since serious criminal proceedings are against the applicant and it adversely impacts his reputation, makes him a person who is not fit and proper to be as a registered valuer. So, authority has rejected the application for registration by using the powers conferred on the authority under Rule 69B of the company's registered value and valuation. So, here it is, हम जो रजिस्टर्ड वैल्यूअर हैं उनकी रेपुटेशन बेहतर होनी चाहिए, इंटीग्रिटी बेहतर होनी चाहिए और करेक्टर बेहतर। इसी संदेश के साथ नमस्कार, नमस्कार और नमस्कार।